guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a party invitation RSVP contact form, how to create and add a form just like this one into your WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. Imagine that you are running some event, some important party, and you would like to know how many guests you will have. Okay, you can do the calculation, you can do the project, you can do the planning, and you need to know this. So on your form, party invitation RSVP, it's really useful. How to create and add one into a very simple, easy, and code-free way on your site. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over the submenu, hover mouse over the menu plugins, and hit the submenu add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, click into search plugins into this field and type WP Forms. Right here, we're gonna click on install now. Easy form builder for WordPress, contact forms, payment forms, surveys, and more. Click on activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins welcome page. Right here, you're gonna scroll down and click on create your first form, orange button. Nothing to worry, the plugin will try to sell the pro versions. We have no need for it. All we have to do is hit the search templates button and type party, just like this. And here is our party invitation RSVP form. Click on use template. The plugin gonna create the template for you, and remember, this template is fully customizable. For example, you can click into some elements, drag and drop wherever you want. You can change the title as soon as you click into the elements, the label, the format, we can enter a description. You can change the options right here from yes or no. You can change the submenus, 3 or more. 10, for example, you can change the options to be selected, and any part can be edited. Okay, after doing all the edits you need to this form, you're gonna hit the save button into the upper right corner of your screen, and the form is gonna be saved. Okay, then we're gonna need to apply this form into a page. There is an easier solution. We have a button called embed. Okay, and we can select an existing page, a previously made page, to receive this form into its contents, or create a new page. I'm gonna create a new page and type party. So this is gonna be the page title. Okay, as soon as you do this, the plugin gonna be creating the page for you using the WordPress Gutenberg or block editor. But of course, you can fully customize this page. All the plugin did was create the page and embed the element. In the case that you want to embed in another way, you can select any part of your page, hit the plus button, and search for WP Forms block. And right here, we're gonna select the form that you have made. In my case, party invitation form. Remember, you can apply this form into a columns layout, you can change the page backgrounds, the page styles, and after doing the changes you need, hit the publish button into the upper right corner of your screen to save the page, to publish the page, and you have your page with your party invitation RSVP form online. Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And that is. Goodbye, and until tomorrow. All the best.